Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this awesome bodysuit that I have here. I was very nervous about getting a bodysuit. I didn't really feel like I had the right body type for it, but this made me feel really confident and comfortable in wearing a bodysuit. I like to use it for layering, so I used it underneath a skirt that I didn't want like extra cloth in my top piece. I wanted it to be nice and smooth. So this was really, really helpful. I love that the clasp here is nice and long. So you are not feeling like you have a wedgie all the time, which is great. And then these are the clasps. It has two here. They pop together really nicely. If you can hear that nice snap, so you don't have to worry about it kind of undoing on you. I like that it's long sleeve as well, and the material is so soft and nice. It's this like really soft and not too thick material. So I think it's great. I love that you can wear it like casually or dressy. You can do so many things with this simple black bodysuit. So definitely recommend it. I think you won't be disappointed, and that is my point of view.